Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to quickly clear your autofill form data from just the last week in Google Chrome. Whether you want to tidy up your saved information or protect your privacy, these easy steps will help you remove autofill entries from the past 7 days without affecting older data. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is up, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three-dot menu icon. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main settings and tools. From the menu, select History. This will take you to a page showing your recent browsing activity. At the top of this page, you'll see an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Tap on it to open the data clearing window. Here, you'll notice two tabs, Basic and Advanced. For more control, make sure you're on the Advanced tab. Now, look for the option labeled Autofill Form Data. This is the setting that controls information Chrome has saved from forms you filled out, like names, addresses, and other details. Next, it's time to choose the time range. Tap on the Time Range drop-down menu and select Last 7 days. This ensures that only autofill data from the past week will be erased, leaving older saved information untouched. After you've selected Autofill Form Data and set the time range to the last 7 days, you're ready for the final step. Tap the Clear Data button at the bottom of the window. Chrome will now remove all autofill entries from the last week. That's it. You've successfully cleared your recent autofill form data in Google Chrome. This can help keep your browser organized and your personal information secure. If you want to clear autofill data from a different time period, simply adjust the time range in the same menu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more up-to-date Chrome tips and tricks.